How to recover WhatsApp business deleted account. The ability to recover a WhatsApp business account depends entirely on whether the account was deleted by settings or the app was simply uninstalled. So, if you have uninstalled the app, if you want to activate it, then you just want to make sure to go to launch, open your app store, and install WhatsApp business onto your device. After which, you just want to make sure to go ahead and install the app. This is the one. After you're done installing the app, you then need to go ahead and select the open button. All you need to do is go ahead and use or verify with the same phone number used previously. Next, you also need to make sure to restore backup when prompted so that you could retrieve all your chats and all that. And this way, you should be able to recover your WhatsApp business account. And if you use delete my account in the settings, WhatsApp immediately erases your message history, removes you from all the group, and deletes your cloud backup as well. You can register a new account with the same phone number, but it will be a blank account with no previous chat history. Some official documentation suggests that if you log back in 90 days, you might stop the full deletion process through your chat history, or though your chat history may still be gone if the backup was burst. So this way, you will be able to recover your WhatsApp business account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.